Hi guys, Monica here. So in the Winter 23 release, Salesforce has given us a major update for flows. That is that we can directly update all the related records of a primary record that has triggered the flow. So let's take today's example. What we are doing is we are triggering the flow on the account. Whenever an account will be updated on created, all the related contexts will be updated. Okay, so before this before this feature released, what we would do for this example is we will trigger the record whenever an account will be created or updated. After that, we will take the get record element, after that the assignment element and the update record element. But after this release, now we can directly update all the related contexts. Okay, so if you want to know how we can do it, what are the benefits, what is this option and where you can find this option, then keep on watching. But before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, click on the subscribe button below, will be awesome. And let's dive straight into the video. So we are in the flow list. Let's click on the new flow button. And let's create a record triggered flow and create. But before that, let's go to object and create a custom field on contact object. On the contact object, I'm creating a boolean field. For that, we will check the checkbox and next. Let's name it updated and click on next. Visibility, click on next and save. So now let's go back to our flow builder, and for object, let's select account. For condition, let's select a record is created or updated. And here we will not add any condition. Let's click on done. Let's select free form. I like that more. So now whenever an account will be created or updated, all the related contexts we want to update the updated field to true. Okay, so whenever an account will be created or updated, the update field on the contact object will be checked to true and will be updated to true. Okay, now here's the main part. Let's take the update record element and let's name it update contexts. Update context related to account. So here comes the new release update. How to find records to update and set their values. Before this Winter 23 release, there were only two options, which were the third and the fourth one, use the IDs and specify conditions. Now we have two more options, which is use the account record that triggered the flow, and the second one, update records related to the account record that triggered the flow. So we will take that, and after taking it, it will ask you for the records related to the account. So here you can directly use account dot notation and take all the contexts that were related to your account without taking any get record element. Without fetching the context with the get record element, you can directly take it here. Here we will write account dot context. So that is just that is so simple. In this record.context, we have all the contexts that are related to account. Okay, so with this update, now we don't have to take the get records element and get all the context related to the account with the account ID in the contact field, right? We can directly take the context from the record.context, and after that, if you want to set any condition, you can do that. Otherwise, you can just set the values. So what we want to do is we want to add the value in this updated field, and the value will be true. Okay, and let's click on done. Let's match it, and that is it. That was so simple, right? Our flow is done. Let's save it and check it. Let's say related list update, and let's save it, activate it. And now to check, let's go to home account, and let's update this account. This is my account. If we will update this, then these two contexts will be updated as well. So in the details section, you can see our latest field which is updated. This is unchecked right now. Basically, this is false. So now if our flow is working correctly, then when I'll update this account, this should be checked. Let's update this account. Let's see industry. And let's select an industry to agriculture and save. Let's go to the contacts and refresh. If the flow was correct, then the updated field will be checked. And here it is, updated true worked, so the flow is working correctly. Let's check the second contact as well. Let's go to the details. And yes, updated is checked. That means the flow was working fine. So here's our flow. Let me give you a recap of what we did. In the start condition, we have added the object account. We wanted to trigger this flow when an account will be created or updated. In the entry conditions, we have nothing. We are updating all the related contexts for every account that will be updated or created. Okay. After that, instead of taking any get record element to get all the related contexts, we are just taking the update record element, and in the update record element we have a new feature here, new option here, which is update records related to the account record that triggered the flow. We will just select that, and when you select that, you will have an option here, records related to the account. Here you can directly fetch all the context. Let me show you once again. Record, that means the account that triggered the flow, dot notation, and you can directly select all the contexts that are related to that account. Okay, that was easy, right? In the set filter conditions, if you want to filter any context, you can do that. If you want to update all the contexts, you can do that as well. Here we are updating all the contexts, and what are we updating is we are updating the updated field to true. Okay, and let's click on done. So that is it. That was today's example. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and keep learning.